Best. What up, gang? Gang, Zesty gang, Zest Nation. What's up, you guys? Monday. It's Monday. What a crazy day. So let's have a look. Let's have a look, Zest Nation. What's up, TikTok cats? So we're doing it again. We're back on the markets again. And that's all. Let's go. What up, gang? Dope Jacket, thank you, brother. Thank you. Interesting type 2, the red close here. I'm going to wait for a breakout. I took a type 2 over here, Perry. This is a trade I took just before we jumped on stream. But if you look at this here, look how well this aligns with the 4 hour. The 4 hour on futures, sorry. Look at this, Perry. Or anyone in the mentorship right here. Oh, she's juicy. Sheesh. What up, you guys on TikTok? What up? Live over here on YouTube with the chart. Happy Monday to you guys. The streams are perfect timing. Yeah, that's good to know then. That's good to know. Yeah, we're coming into the market. And let me do a quick bit of analysis here in a sec, but you know, we had that big 300 pip drop at the end of Friday. And we're moving into Monday here, and we're going to see what the market wants to do. How was your weekend? My weekend was amazing. Just did some stuff with my niece and just pretty chill. Pretty chill. So I'm just setting a couple things up real quick. But yeah, you guys, we get another opportunity over here in these markets, which is pretty cool. A lot of people don't know how to do this, and we've dedicated the time to figure it out. And we reap the reward of doing such effort. All right, there, officially done. So let's get into it. Let's get into it, you guys. Check this out. Yeah, looking like we're going pretty bullish. Like, you got to understand, so if you guys check out this level that we're at right here, this is a fucking key level. This is a really key level because this was a prior support level that we broke through. Like, if you look to the left here, all right, this is, if we break above that key level and close above that level and then potentially like retest and look like we're going to keep moving up, you know, it looks like this drop down was just kind of a fake out to some regard. Like, it doesn't want to be there, essentially. We broke, if we're going to break straight back up into that range and then continue up, then it's just like, all right, cool, that's what we're doing. No chart on here on TikTok. Yeah, you guys on TikTok, if you look here, that's what's up, if you want to see the chart. Look very zesty morning. Nice jacket. Thank you, Lee. Always zesty. Zest Nation over here. Hi, Dan, do you have another account? No. No, I have no other account. Nor. So the 4 hours looking hella bull. If it can keep pushing up. 1 hour is obviously, we had that, like, these last couple 1 hour candles are very bullish. Do you have a mentorship? Yeah, you can go on the wait list. There's a wait list in my, if you click the link in my bio, you'll see it all there, my friend. Any trades in Asia? Just a pre-London one there before I jumped on stream. I'll show you it here. It was based off the 30-minute candles and the 4 hour. Just that push there. No music today? Never mind. I turned it down a little bit. Let me turn up a little bit. I'm from Australia. American girl, what did you write? You seem to be genuine. I'm not, I'm a fraud. Ariel, what up? What up? But yeah, so let's have a look. You know, I might be interested if it wants to bounce off this area, but you got to understand, like, this is a very key level. What's the probability of price just like edging it and not actually touching that level and then turning around? Pretty low. And I'm not like one of these guys, but this is the Asia high. Like, you do notice a lot of the time that price likes to kind of grab stop losses that might be above that point. I wrote asking if you and I can get on a call. I need you to recommend Tradeovate. So you want me to take time out of my incredibly busy schedule to have a phone call with you to answer questions on things that you could just Google? Right? Let's use logic and reason here. What up, Lone? Do you ever use the VWAP? No. Were you on Bachelor? No. What's your name? America. Yeah, you can just go like, yeah, I don't know. Check Forex stand. Yeah, I know what Forex looks like. Kind of edging that high. Got a little push there, actually. Did we? I'll move this. You guys can see that trade I took, but anyway. I need a mentor, somebody who's genuine. Yep, well, you're going to have to make a decision at one stage in your life. Like, you're going to have to make a decision. Everyone wants a mentor until it comes to the time of actually getting one or paying the money or whatever it might be. Is anyone else screen wigging out? Chart looks 3D. What the fuck? 3D candles. Looks like a wick fill on the 4 hour. Maybe I'm interested in a bounce depending on. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, we'll see. This candle's still got a fair bit of life in it, so in terms of till it closes. The daily kind of, you know, the daily did fill some of this wick count down here, kind of retested and pushing up, but we'll see. We'll see. It wouldn't be a bad idea for this 30 to close red if we are looking at it to push up because, you know, there's been a lot of green. What up, Dave? Oh, Dave, you changed your name to VIP. Sheesh. No, I'm not from Sydney. I'm from Brisbane. Please share your chart. If you guys on TikTok want to see the chart, you have to go here. See full chart, full account, details, all the shit. Two trades a day. That's right, my friend. Perry, good stuff for locking yourself out during that. Hey, Perry, I don't know if you noticed today when you said you were locking yourself out there in the mentorship. What happened after that? This. Chop Central. So you made the right choice, my friend. Why do you keep saying follow request? Why do you keep spamming that question 3 times? Girl, I want your body. Did you take a trade today? Yes. Yep. So now we're moving into kind of like the pre-London sesh here, and we'll see if we can get some sort of opportunity. Nice pairs, yep. I did the exact same thing earlier today in Asia as well. Took a sell at Asian Open, locked out to now. Nice, Mitch. Yep. That's something we've kind of talked about a little bit recently in the mentorship, is like understanding like there's that low volume time here. So London, Asia Open for the first 2 hours or so, you get a good volume. And then for me, the 3rd hour in, it starts to die down, and then you get into like this death zone. Right. Don't participate in the death zone, bro. You need volume. And then obviously pre-London, like where we are now, you'll get that volume starting to pick up again. Oh wow, look at this push, you guys. I originally had my take profit up here, but I was like, no need to get greedy. What up, Grav? Sorry, I was trying to follow on YouTube. Are you talking to me? I don't know. Please review your trade. Yeah, look, this is what it was. If you look at the 4 hour on, and it's hard for me to explain to you guys without going into detail, but in the mentorship, we talk about this particular setup a lot, which is, you know, price having a pullback. We've moved up quite up. This is the 4 hour candle. Price had a pullback on the 4 hour. We're wicking off at this bottom end. Look at this. Lower low, lower low, higher low. Lower low, lower low. Lower high, sorry. And then, you know, we kind of create a bit of support here. 4 hours kind of small. This one wicked all the way down. Once it pushed up there, I was getting very interested. And then when I switched over to the 30-minute, it coincided perfectly with essentially the exact same thing, but on the 30-minute candle, which is a pullback, rejections, retest, and I have my buy stop sitting there. So it was kind of based on the 4 hour and the 30. Wow, we're getting that push now, you guys. Do you broadcast on Discord during your trading? I'm trading right now live on YouTube. What more could you ever ask for, my friend? In terms of where you broadcast. Broadcast live in a 106.9. ChatGPT is my trading advisor. What up, Rock? I'm doing amazing. Hope you're doing well. So this will be a 30-minute closure as well. It's a lot of green on the 30, you guys. A lot of green on the 30 and the 1 hour. You know, I'll have to see. At least got a bit of support on the 30 on Forex. There's that pop. Yeah, maybe we'll see. Wow, so we're completely breaking back up into this range. Interesting. Don't you get confused doing futures and Forex? No, not at all. It's just a chart moving up and down. Like, there's nothing to get confused about. The only thing that confuses is when we confuse ourselves and think that it's more hectic than it is. When I first switched to futures, I was like, oh man, this is going to be hectic. And then I was like, oh, it's literally just a chart. Like, there's no difference. Literally no difference. It's different charts. Yeah, it is different slightly, but a lot of the time it's in tune a lot. Like, it's very similar. But if it's very different, I'll always base it on, I'll typically base it on futures because that's what I'm actually trading. What up, Venus? I'm for sale. Well, at least you did the right thing, Ariel, and locked yourself out. At least you did the right thing and locked yourself out. That's where you gotta have those rules, man. Like, you gotta know. If you guys, if you just show up to the chart and say, man, I'm dedicated to just finding 1 or 2 really good setups, and I'll only trade those. Sheesh. Your trading game will change a lot. I see you're a man of many talents. What do you mean? Have you seen my twerking videos? What up, Karen? Cold in New Queensland? It's cold when I've got my aircon pumping. Share your screen. Here, look here. You'll see it there. I made iced coffee. Don't get it twisted, son. TJC, nice rejections. What's with all the TJLs and GJBs and CUDs and stuff? TJC, I'm assuming it means Trading John Camp or something. Like your name's John Camp and then you just put the word trading in front. DHT, yeah. DHT actually sounds dope. It sounds like DMT. No, it's my full name. Oh, fuck. Tony John Camp. Ah, see Thenis, yes. Tyrone. Ah, nice, nice. Bro is handsome. No, bro's not handsome. Bro's a loser. Girls want... She'll never like me. Candle timer, please. Oh, yeah, okay. I'll show you the candle timer, please. I'll show you. Let's have a look. There you go. There's a candle timer, please. She'll never like me. Then you tried DMT? I actually have, but not enough to be like fully get the experience. So I'll say no, because it wasn't enough to fully get the experience. How are you, bro? I'm doing amazing, brother. I'm here on a Monday with you guys doing the thing I'm passionate about with other people that are passionate about the same thing, and we're all just crushing it. If I could, I'd tie us all into a ball of love and shove you up my bum. But I can't, so instead we're going to sit here and trade. Are you a divorce now? Yeah, it's not a real marriage, that's the only thing. Hey Daniel, when you say the market needs to break a key level, does it matter what color of the candle it is? Yeah, it does, because if it's to the upside, it needs to be a green candle here, so we need it to close above. And when I say break, see what I've done here? That's not a break to me, that's like a test. A break is when it closes. So if the candle closes up there green, then we're good to go. Like, then that's a break above. If I were to have that level at the bottom here and say I need a candle to break below, I would need a red candle to break below. That's all. Where are you from, brother? UK? No, I'm from Brisbane, Australia. So... Interesting. Flip red. Yeah, nice. Not a potential bad idea for a sell. Like, if this next candle could wick up and push down. Would like this to get a bit fatter, though. I'd like a bit more red here. Bro, please, please don't spam that. Why is there a big gap between the end of Friday and Monday start? That typically happens when there's volume during the weekend and the price when it opens back up. All right, you get. When the price opens back up, the difference between where it was to where it leaves a gap. Yeah, I have to block that dude. Bloody but where's the gap? I don't see a gap. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like cells. Bro, give away Solana for me. Sure, bro. Oh, what up, Matt? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you in the chat here. See you in profs as usual. Nice to see you. Yeah, just... We caught a nice little trade here. I'll show you guys. Anyone that was here fresh just before the stream, caught a nice little buy right here. This coincided quite nicely with the 4 hour for a strategy that I teach. which is essentially a pullback for a continuation. Came up, created a bit of support, pushed down, rejected multiple times, created that bottom wick, flip, blah. The 4 hour also looked similar, but on the 4 hour candle. See how that virtually looks the same on the 4 hour? Came up, pull back, reject the bottom end, flip, buy. Matt, how long you been trading, brother? You still work? Are you still in the fitness industry and shit like that? Like, you gotta have a proper store. I don't know if you'll ever remember, Matt, if you're still there, but do you remember that time I seen you? Fuck, was it you? I was walking with a girl down the Gold Coast. That's the most vague story ever. I was walking along the water, sort of, in a bush. And I seen you. We said hello quickly. Fuck, that was a long time ago. What's the best time for confirmation? 15. 15s. Ah, nice, Matt. Okay, sick. What up, greatness? On the 15, have a green candle. You're on the wait list? I would honestly say probably 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. Yep, 2 to 3 weeks. Do you do a mentorship? I have a wait list for the mentorship, but that's what I'm saying right now. 2 to 3 weeks. Girl, I want your body. So let's just see over here. I like that we had a bit of a pullback now, because if we get a break above now, I like that. I like that a lot more. Now that we've had a bit of support. No way! You do remember that? That was you, yes! That's so fucking funny. I knew I'm a wizard of memories. It was Burley Hill Track, that's right. And I was coming right up to a competition at that time. That's so funny. Yeah, dope. Huh. And can you please... We would die at the moment. Yeah, fucking hell. Could you perhaps state your mind on the analysis regarding trend on Discord? Okay, let's have a look at the Discord. Analysis. Okay, so you're looking at some sort of downtrend. I can see that you conveniently didn't let it touch there, though. I think if you let it touch there, it would still make sense as a downtrend. Yeah, look. Let's have a look. Let's draw a trend line here. I'm assuming you're going from here then? Nah, this isn't valid. This isn't valid. Like where, because it has to go through bodies and wicks, and like realistically it makes sense there, and then we've technically broke past that. But if you're going to bring it from there, like why would you bring it from there? It's just, I don't know. I think you're kind of clutching at straws a bit there, which I don't even know what that saying means. I don't even know if I'm saying it properly, but you get what I'm saying. I'm not trying to roast you. I'm just saying, like, that's, you know. I always think when you're looking at patterns and trends and things like that, it has to be clean. You want it to be clean as hell. You know what I mean? It can't be like, oh, I sort of see this. It's like, some people are like, oh, it's doing a head and shoulders, and it's just like, looking like that. It's like, okay. Like you will see like head and shoulders will perform quite well if it's clean, which is a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high. And then you anticipate that new lower low. So it's a shift of structure. Not like a fucking, you know what I mean? Is that a Velvet Viet ice coffee? This is a homemade ice coffee with a freaking $500 coffee machine. Why don't you like sells? Just because of high time frames right now. Like I can change my mind soon. But the 1 hour is very strong. If this 1 hour can close bearish, I can start to switch my bias. If we wick up, I probably will look at this. If we wicked up, yeah. Yeah, I was thinking that as well. I just personally, I didn't like that it's going against a strong 1 hour trend. You know, there's a lot of Asian liquidity sweep guys that, you know, seen this and took sells there, which is cool for them. What up, Graph? Graffiti. Gold's going to go in circles, I reckon. Imagine if the candlestick just started bending and doing a circle. Do you call out your trades so others can follow as well? I guess so. I just do it live. Like, you just see it all live. But I don't suggest that people do it as well. I don't think that's a good idea. Do you think gold will trend the same as silver? Let's have a look at silver. I know copper's pushing up. What the fuck? Silver's just... Silver looks like absolute dog shit. I don't know why people look at silver, honestly. It's so ugly. Like, if you're going to trade another thing, like, trade something like copper. Copper has crazy moves. Yeah, I knew this was going to happen. Somebody asked about copper last week, and I said, what's the probability that copper's just going to fucking perfectly stop at the height there? It's going to break above, which it's doing now. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful copper move. Oh, that just happened as well. That push up just happened. Wow. Cop City, bitch. Circle candle IFGG. Yeah. Is the bridge red yet? Oh, shit. Damn it, the bridge is red. But I already beat the bridge curse because I'm up for the day. Copper buy signal. Signal. What up, Andre? So see how this candle closes. It's still not officially London Open yet. Yeah, I'd be interested in sells if this 1 hour close like this. Sort of. Do you think gold trends same as silver? We'll just put them side by side and you can notice. Like, just have a look at, literally put them side by side. You on a futures account? Yeah. I'll be switching between Forex and futures, but trading on futures, yeah. Apparently FTMO is starting a futures firm. That'll be interesting. That'll be very interesting. What's your opinion on Mike Menza ideologies while we wait for setup? Mike, what the Mike Menza is a bodybuilder? Is that me? Oh, that's AI. What's your opinion on Mike Menza's ideologies? Ideologies about what? I guess you mean ideologies about training. He had a mad physique. Was this a dude? Yeah, I remember this guy with Arnold. Yeah. Wow. What up, Hush? Fill that shizzle at 2960. Where's 2960? 2960. Bro, where the fuck are you going? 29. All the way down here. Bro, you're thinking way too ahead, MC. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. People would have been saying that down here. Right? Oh, what about that gap there? And then what happened? Oh, what about that gap, that gap, that gap? And then just kept going up. One thing I've learned about gold is it does not need to do anything. It just, if it's going in a direction, it'll just keep going. It does not care about anyone's preconceived ideas. Why has he got? Would you ever start your own prop firm? No, I think there's way better ways to make money and just be involved in the space. Like, prop firm sounds hella fucking stressful. Ah, he trains 1 to 2 times a week. That's interesting. You were a bodybuilder or a fighter? I guess I did them both. No, I'm not huge anymore. Your boy's natty. Your boy's been natty for 3 years. Oh, wow. Okay, Perry. Yeah, for sure. Whole gang of killers. Gorilla. What's the best strategy for beginners? Should I reveal the secrets? Yeah, I still eat and drink the same from when I train. I'm super healthy. Like, I'm a healthy dude, but I just don't do steroids and train like the same intensity or fucking, you know, like same stuff. Is there any reason why gold fell 300 pips? Just because that's just what gold does. I wouldn't think into it too much. It made sense. Like, all the signs were there. I was so sad I missed that. Like, that nearly brought a tear to my eye just seeing this whole setup. Hey bro, can you please teach me how to trade? Just keep showing up to the live stream, brother. I'll try. If this candle closes where it is now, would you be interested in a sell? I would if it closes on the 1 hour, not the 15. If it can hang out here for the next 1 hour, I might be interested. Oh, this is Brad here. Okay, I see. Yes, sir. I got into the mindset again. Trading mindset whole works coming up. Yeah, if you're ready to take it serious again, Brad. If you're ready to take it serious, my friend, this could be the place. I need a motion image tutorial. What the fuck is motion image? Image? It's AI? Bro, just Google it. You can just Google that, brother. My dear friend. Can you learn trading in 6 months? Yes. Like you can learn trading in 6 months, but it doesn't mean you're going to be a good trader in 6 months. Right, you can learn all the terminology and the fucking... You can learn all the terminology and just all the stuff in 6 months. But then it's going to be about like time in the hot seat in order to get good at it. That's all. Gold hit 50 level in the Fibonacci. It's definitely a sell. Okay. Can I share a screen? Wow. Can I share a screenshot? Can I share a screenshot? Yeah. Throw it in the Discord. If anyone's got any analysis, chuck it in the Discord here and we can have a look. More trend line cats. Throw it in the gold analysis section. And we can pull it up. I'll show you guys on TikTok the screen for a little bit, but if you want to see the full screen, you got to come over to YouTube. You got to come over, my dude. Why does it keep doing this? Oh, that's why. Wow. You're not that guy. It's in the Discord. I follow your strategy for short in gold. I gotta tell you guys something is like, a lot of you guys are smarter. Not that I say like anyone's dumb, but a lot of you guys are smarter than I fucking could imagine, because some people message me and they show me screenshots of trades they took and they go, man, I base this off your strategy and your thing. And it's like, it is surprising how much people do pick up from live streams. Right? It is surprising. I'm like, how the fuck did you know that? Right? But people just like, people really do pay attention, which is cool as. What are we looking at here? What the flip is this? Oh, so 15-minute. Oh, you got the 1 hour and the 30-minute and other things. How the fuck did you do this? That's pretty cool. That's good for screenshotting like trades that you've taken for the journal. Very nice. Keefy. Good to have you here, Dave. Bit of everything, Sudden 27. Only learned from your live streams, bro. I really love your strat. That's crazy. Yeah, nice to hear, DJ. Yeah, it's did you have a mentor? Yes, Roger Banks. Roger Banks, probably a bit of Nick Stewart. But yeah, Roger Banks is the main dude. Top left-hand corner shows the indicator. Yeah, I'll have to have a look at it later. That's good for journaling. What up, Chuckalicious? Chuck knows. Is Roger Banks on TikTok? I think so. Our heavenly art. Raja, Art and Brizzy. Hello, B-Type 2. Oh, fuck. Alright, so we've got 10 minutes for this 30 and this 1 hour to close. Interesting. Really pushing down over here. Did you see Raja when he came to Oz? No, I didn't. No. Get Raja to come to a meetup, yeah. Raja. Why you changing clothes? Yeah, I was like, bro, that shit was uncomfortable. What up, S? Yeah, the bridge is full blown red. Where would your support line be for cells? Cells are a nightmare in terms of a break below level. I haven't really got one. Cells are a nightmare for a break below level. It would literally be like here, and even that would be pushing it. You know, you would scalp it to this next level. It's 30 pips there. And then obviously below that is pretty clean. Hello be thy name. Two and a half years, Ahmed. Man, I wish I would this vibe before taking a trade. Wait, what do you mean? What's an Aussie bum fit? Yeah, I know, the 4 hours flipping over here. Could see this just consolidating for a bit, to be honest. We'll see. Google it. Bum fit. Hope this isn't rude. I don't know what that was, but I don't want to see dudes. I don't want to see dudes. Calm, relax. Ah, I see what you mean. Yeah, man. But hey, Jat, the reality is you've got to make a mental effort to get yourself into a calm and relaxed state, because it serves no benefit to be in a heightened state. And you go, well, that's cool and all well to say, but how do you do that? You do it by staying conscious. If you feel your heart rate increasing, just say, hey man, I can feel my heart rate increasing in your head. But let's just chill out, just chill. You know, just chill out. If you feel yourself getting fiddly, like your toes crunching up, right? You start to squeeze, relax. Relax your hands, relax your toes, just chill. It's okay, because yes, you're going to take a trade here. Yes, you might lose, but does that matter over 100 trades? No. It serves no benefit bringing emotion into trading. None. Because what we do today doesn't matter. It's what we do over the next month, year, whatever. What up, Muhammad? Yeah, I'm of the same mindset, Lee. Monday markets suck. Yeah, you got to be a bit careful. No, I definitely want to wait for the New York. Like, there's nothing to say we won't get a move, but we just got to be a bit more A++ setup-y. You know, you guys can always just kind of file your nails while you wait. You know, there's things you can do. You don't always have to be Zest Lord. You can have nice nails. What do you think of that? Hopefully gold won't be as choppy as it was last week. Ah, it's all perspective, my brother. I don't think gold was choppy last week, was it? Daniel, adjust your mic when you speak. There's a high pitch noise. Really? Is that real, you guys? Usually I'll just say not listening to you, but because my mic's new, I'm getting insecure. Daniel, adjust your mic when you speak. There's a high pitch noise. Really? Yay! You wasted my time! Yay! The mic sounds fucking bootylicious, actually. Thank God I finally fixed it. What up, Skycode? Hey, mate, is it hard to trade if you are dyslexic? No. Nah. Not at all. It might affect you. Even that, I'm not going to say I don't believe in that, but what I'm going to say is I don't believe in is like, I was about to say it might affect your ability to just study, like learn the game of trading. But even that, like, you're a human being, bro. You can do anything. You can do anything, bro. So what about ADHD? No. Like, we've all got dyslexia. We've all got Down syndrome. Like, we've all got everything, bro. Like, you can literally do anything. You can literally do anything, bro. New week, new lessons, Pez. Tell me something about gold. It's like a yellowy metal. Wow, graph's fucking motivational. I definitely have a bunch of undiagnosed autistics, for sure. How long does it take to learn trade before you start checking trades? It's a good way to put it, bro. Yeah, I always suggest if you can spend the first kind of 6 months learning and just get amongst it all. 6 months is pretty good. Why do you look like Luka Modric? No, I'm not gonna like this. Let's have a look. Luka Modric. Why can't it be somebody like super attractive for once? Like just once. You know what I mean? I get it, like some dude whose eyes are kind of like retarded and... Yeah, okay. 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 I see what's up. I see. Okay. I see how it is. I see how it is. Clipped. No. I personally... Yeah. No, don't look like you. Modric is a baller, really? Love that. Ryan Reynolds. See, I'll take Ryan Reynolds. That made me laugh, to be honest. But you're a better version, at least. Bro, I'd want to hope so. I'm a lawyer. I hate it. I'm thinking of switching to trading. You were doing it again, playing with the camera, looking into our eyes. Yeah. How does it say people are using your name? Yeah, I know. Is it true what I see on TikTok that people make 1K out of 100 in a day? No. Do you show your trades on stream? Yeah, pretty much. Understand that technically, in theory, you can turn $100 into 1K, right? But you can also do that at the casino. Like, that's not what trading is. That's what gambling is. How much should I save to start an account? Nothing. You should start by learning. I'm going to be posting. You know when you randomly get like a ring in your ear and it's like, I've definitely got an alien probe like in my head or something. What up, Philip? What up, John? Daniel, the best looking trader in my birth. Can have a free account. You honestly look like Daniel, and that's it. Yes, thank you. Do you know Jonas Trades official? He is legit. What do you think? Jonas Trades. Oh, I guess I'll put official. Jonas Trades official. The fuck? Yeah, well, he's not very official because I can't find any of his shit. He's not very official. Would I come up if I write Daniel Holmes Trades? Holmes Trades. Oh, wow. I come up heaps. Here I am. According to people in the chat sometimes. Do you know TGR, mate? No. Oh, I know. I've seen his account and things like that. I know that he's a crypto guy and stuff. Are you working with the guy on the Tradezilla? Yeah. Dude, I still can't get over it. Can you guys believe that the dude from Riz from Words of Wisdom podcast messaged me? We've been talking in the DMs and it's just like, what is the world, bro? What is the world? Yeah, he's gonna hook me up Tradezilla and then a mad discount code for the community and stuff like that if people want to start using it. Morning, John. Oh. What's the maximum profit you can make a day if you're a beginner with? In theory, infinite. Yeah, nice. Yeah, give it a couple days. I think it's already all of my DMs ready to go. I just haven't done anything about it. Tell them 80%. What are you drinking, mate? Just a homemade coffee over here. Iced almond latte, like a real man. Nothing super clean just yet, you guys, here on the charts. Let's just wait. Let's not force anything. What's the range here? I might put a level here. I might put a breaker below level here. Maybe. I don't know. If it works out well, I'd have to really make sure it makes sense everywhere else. Are you going on the Words of Wisdom podcast? No, I'm just we're just doing some stuff together in terms of Tradezilla, but it's just crazy. Like, he messaged me and then he sent me voice messages and we're just kind of talking. I'm like, bro, like, I've been the guy that's watched all of his podcasts and just been that guy for so long. And now I'm just like in a position where he's messaging me. I'm like, fuck, the world is weird, bro. And obviously it's nothing special. Like, it's just weird. We haven't closed green. Yes, that's right, Perry. Yeah, that's a good point. That is a good point. So let's just wait for that. Let's wait. Let's delete this. I need you guys to trade for me. I have a couple of questions. Not answering them. Today looks kind of quiet. Yeah, like, you got to be careful on Monday, especially when the Friday you're going to move like this. You got to be careful. A lot of people are getting chop city'd up here. Do you hold trading live sessions in here? Hey, ANG, look here. Look, that's where you can see everything. You guys on TikTok, you can see the full chart, my account, everything right here. I'm live right now. Live on YouTube. Daniel Holmes trades Giant Schlong live on YouTube. Okay, we're pushing up. Cool. How much do you charge for your mentorship? I know there's a waitlist. Yes. It's around 155 startup and then $60 a month after that. That's what it is. You're not getting a high ticket $3,000 for bullshit that you could just freaking Google. This is like an actual strategy. Here's a strategy I use. Take it. Whoa, come. Ah. If it's closed around where it is, might be something considered depending on a few things. Yeah, the way this is pushing up here now, might have to wait till it fucking breaks through, which is fine. I like that if we are pushing up, we've created some support now in the 1 hour and the 30. Right? How many times a week one meets you if they have you as a mentor? Like how many one-on-one set? What do you mean by a one-on-one session? Like we jump on a Zoom or something? Do you have 2 accounts? No, just this one, brother. Want to lose? Excited to use my new journal. John, is that the journal from the from Sunday? Is it advisable to learn and take trades simultaneously? Well, that's what you will do after you learn the basics. I would suggest you learn the basics first and then you start training, because when you do start training, you're still going to be learning whilst trading anyway. But if you start trading too early, you're just going to burn yourself out and you're going to hate it, bro. You're going to hate it because you're going to be like, you're just going to lose and you're not going to really understand it. And you'll just be like, fuck this. Yeah, I'd recommend a prop firm, a cheap prop account. Yeah, after seeing yours, I made another one on Notion from scratch, fit my needs. Yeah, beautiful, John. Nice. Do you know Juicy Trades? Juicy Trades. Sounds quite juicy. Wow, look at the fucking logo, a lion with wings. Can we get, like, I'm not trying to hate, but come on, bro. We've got to get less generic than that. No, I don't know who Juicy Trades is. So juicy. Zesty Trades. That's what's up. Now we're talking. Are you single? No, I'm married to the charts. Married to the charts. I'll show the charts a little bit on here on TikTok for a bit. But if you want to see the full shit, so you got to come over to here on YouTube. Oh, look at that bridge. That bridge is blaring red. That bridge is like trade at your own risk. Well, we already beat the curse. I'm green on my account. Are you in Australia? Yes. Yeah, I'm changing my branding to Zest Trades. Zest Banks. What up, Tommy? I'm doing amazing, brother. Better than I deserve. Who is the best mentor in terms of trading with funded accounts? Jay, it doesn't really work like that. Like, Dan, you look like Tyrese Gibson? Tyrese Gibson. Is this a trader? Is this the right guy? Is this the right guy? Or am I meant to be bringing up a trader? Yeah, I don't know. Yo, good morning, Danny. Starting a good morning, Australia. Blue morning. What up, Gold? Hell yeah. Why are you looking at my... He's an actor. Fucking hell. When's the mentorship opening? Don't tell me 3 weeks again. 2-3 weeks. Make sure you're on the wait list. Why do people ask someone who's offering a mentorship who's the best mentor? I think they want me to like expand on mine, but I just can't be bothered sometimes. Have you jumped into anything yet? Pre-London I caught a nice little buy, but now just waiting for a potential opportunity up here. What do you think about a breakup of this candle? If this candle breaks out, I'll still be interested. I'm interested in a break above here now. That's really all I'm looking for the day. Can I start with $10? Yeah, but you're just going to eventually lose it, and then you're going to have to figure out how to learn. How much is your mentorship? If you're asking that, too much. No, it's cheap as fuck. I don't know. It's all. If you go on my description in my bio, you see my website. Beautifully crafted website by yours truly. And then you go here, coming soon in 3 weeks-ish, 2-3 weeks. If you click on it, let me quickly hide this, make sure you don't see anything. Yeah, if you click on it, all I say here is mentorship 2.0, waitlist, name, email, that's it. And then for those that join the waitlist, when I do launch, they'll get special benefits. They'll get a lap dance or something, you know what I mean? Someone with a fake account is scamming. No! No! No, 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 no. Yeah, you gotta be careful. There's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. I know Dan is the best. Why else would I be learning from anyone's daily bias? You're Insta famous? No. I tried to get a blue tick on TikTok again, but they said I'm not famous enough. I'm mainly trying to do it just so people know that that's the real account. But in order to do it, you have to submit articles and shit of yourself. I don't even know. I've got to look into it more. Sorry, you guys on TikTok. If you want to see the full chart, you got to go over here. It's too risky to put it on here on TikTok. Sir Roger Banks. Sir Roger Banks? MJ, bro, it's all there on the website. I'm not even gonna bother explaining it. I'm not trying to be a dick, but literally everything's there. You can read it all. There's no confusion. There's nothing to be confused about. You know, when you look on the website, you'll see exactly what's for offer. Oh no, Brady's already doing these emojis. No. No. Bro, why so many fake accounts with your name? Because they try to scam people. Then you look like Mr. Ballon. All right, last one. Let me see. I'm assuming this is some sort of freaking trader. Ballon. Okay, this could just be a dude with a mustache, though. I see it, I guess. At least it's not some, like, random weird shit. Oh, a lot of people have been following me and getting banned. Yeah. See, I'm a step ahead of it now. I've already had an account ban, so I'm like, I'm not going to risk it, man. I know a lot of traders that do it. I see them live stream with their chart and they get so many views. And I'm like, yeah, that used to be me. And then their account's just gone. I'm like, bruh, it's not worth it. Although TikTok is so powerful for that, it's just, there's nothing you can do about it. So you guys on TikTok, if you want to see the full chart, I'm live on YouTube right now. Look, here's the details. What up, Chico? Danny's Disney lookalike. Scrat? Please don't ban me. Who the fuck is Scrat? Scrat. Bro, you calling me an animal? Not an animal. So yeah, no forcing anything, you guys. We don't need to force any trades. BRR, what's up? Wait, what's BRR mean again? Be right back? No. Before Bulgarian reindeer. No, I have to look it up. Wait, can someone just tell me what does BRR mean? It's brother? Oh, it just means brother? Be right back. No, that's BRB. It just means brother. Oh, wow. Okay. That's kind of annoying. Since when? How would BRR mean brother? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I get it. What up, Harold? I'm doing amazing, brother. Hope you're doing well. Have you seen the template for the Sunday webinar? Why weren't you there, my dude? It's meant for the people that were there live on the seminar, not those that come after. Support, yeah, I guess support close, yeah. We'll put that there. I really don't want to sell, but we'll see. How's the market's going today, bro? Just typical Monday. We've got the market kind of pinned here, though. I'd really like a break above this level. But we'll see. What up, Chloe? Yeah, I had to rewatch it because it was a family day. I was out with my 2 little kids. Yep, well, you got to say, kids, Dada's got work to do. You need to fend for yourself for an hour and jump over to the webinar. You know, sometimes you got to sacrifice for these kids. All right, this is their rite of passage. If you can survive for 2 hours in the wilderness while Dada's getting shit done, then nah, I'm only joking. Yeah, just message me. Tommy, message me and I'll sort you out, brother. Do you have videos showing traders how the markets work? No, there's so many of that online, but you can just Google it. It's so many of that shits. Tell me, how dare you put your kids first? I know, man. It's crazy. What's your biggest trading loss? Just multiple trading accounts. Funded accounts. Not fucking challenge accounts. And this is a thing, like, I came up in the game trading funded accounts and things like that because if I lost them, yes, it hurts, but it's not the same as losing $1,000 of real capital, right? So I'd done a lot of dumb shit, like in the early days. Like I'd blown an account and then immediately purchased a new account and then blew that again, right? Revenge traded. So I'd blown 2 accounts in one sitting. Like, I've done it all, man. I've done it all. And, yeah. You learn the hard way. How can I control my emotions, bro? What emotions are you feeling? You look like Luke Bracey? Last one ever. Luke. Oh, okay. Okay, I guess. Not really. Yeah, I'll take it, I guess. How can I control my emotions, bro? Losses. Losses is an emotion. Losses is just like an outcome. But what emotions? You said, how can I control my emotions? You look like Mr. Columbia. Alright, this is actually the last one ever. Mr. Columbia. Bro, He looks hella zesty, bro. I'm a hard olden dude. How? Can you look at GBP chart? Alright, have a real quick look at GBP. GBP. Is it USD? Yeah. Oh wow, we're breaking above up here. I know the overall trend here, like the 4 hour, it's kind of bullish, right? We are moving up. So maybe we're moving up. Not much to analyze. There is actually quite a nice range above here. Like if you get a break above this level. If this candle closes above this range, then retests, it doesn't look too bad. I'd have to look on the other time frames, but take in mind there are a couple of rejections here. And it has to make sense in the higher time frames. I'm not going to do a higher time frame analysis, but yeah. Algo trading. No, I don't think bots are cool. Ariel. Better than Paducah Lows, yeah. Volume, please, mate. Really? The volume should be fine. How old are you, Unk? Unk is 34. The volume should be fine. If it's not, that really sucks. Because I want the volume to be fine, but I don't know what else I can do to fix the volume. Make it louder. Mate, you ain't old. You look like Bailey Smith if you had a mullet. Good volume. Volume is better today. Yeah, I fixed the volume. I thought I fixed the volume. Volume is always low. Damn it. Yeah, I don't know how else to fix it. Like, I've got the volume turned up everywhere. Unfortunately. You know what I can do? Check. That should be actually louder now. But if it starts to distort, then I'll be pooing my pants. But hopefully it doesn't start to distort. You guys on TikTok, if you want to see the full chart, come over here. I'm live on YouTube right here. Too loud? Is it really too loud? Oh, fuck you. Loud. People are saying it's loud now. All right, let me turn down a bit. There. Volume is good there? Okay. This sounds good. God damn it. I get gaslit so easy on the mic because I'm really insecure about the mic. No, it sounds good. Okay. How many hours a year is backtesting before you will first profitability? Backtesting doesn't dictate profitability. Backtesting, like I still backtest. You know, I finished my trading day on Friday, finished the entire week green. What do you think I did Friday night and Saturday? I was backtesting. When do you think most people backtest? When they're losing. No. I'll backtest. You know, streams down. Bro! Yeah, bro. Here's the thing. Do you want it or not, bro? You're muted, bro. Muted? Why are multiple people saying muted? Why are multiple people saying muted? This can't be real. Fucking bro. Damn it. Wait, see how the world works? You pronounce your insecurities and then people fucking... You know what I mean? Can anyone hear him? Hey, bro. I can hear perfect. Thank you, Carolina. I trust Carolina. Yeah, so that's a good lesson in life. Don't tell people your insecurities. Keep it all bottled up inside until you just go on a fucking mass spree of just destruction. Never show weakness, man. These people are sharks, bro. Legit. What's the most valuable lesson you've learned from losing a trade, and how did you change your strategy? I spoke about this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I have an Instagram trading page where I post content that I don't post on TikTok. And I said, in terms of valuable lessons that change you as a trader, it's never about the charts. It's never about your strategy. It's about you as the trader. Right? So it's all things that I've had to change as an individual, which typically come back to like revenge trading, over leveraging, fucking retardation. Like, you're the issue, not the charts, right? So I had to look in the mirror metaphorically and say, man, I got to change this. Not only do I need to change this about the way I approach the charts, I have to change this about how I approach life. Bitcoin's looking zesty. Let's have a little quick look at Bitcoin. I'm interested in looking at Bitcoin quickly. Oh, it's pushing up over here. I seen this push up here and I was like, oh, that's interesting. But it looks like it's decided to continue up from there. I'm nodding to my phone again, agree. Yeah. So you see things like this, like you got to ask yourself, what's the probability that it's not going to fucking break above there? Pretty low. Does that mean it doesn't need to have a pullback first? No. How many followers do you have on YouTube, bro? So I know you're the right account. There won't be multiple of me on YouTube. Just type that in. If you type the exact thing that it has here, you'll see my account. And you'll see that I'm live on YouTube right now. You'll also see that I'm live there. I'll give the example real quick what Mark Douglas says, right? He says the equity curve of a trader should look like this, where you've got small pullbacks, but overall the trend is moving up. I'll show you guys on TikTok as well. Mark Douglas says a healthy equity curve of a trader should look like this, where there's small pullbacks, but overall it's moving up, right? But he says, why do some traders go like this and then drop down impulsively? Then maybe consolidate, and then maybe it'll jump up impulsively, consolidate, and then drops down like this. Why isn't it like the professional traders that have healthy pullbacks on the way up, right? What are these big spikes down? These spikes have nothing to do with the market, but everything to do with the trader. That's an emotional loss of control there. It's a over trading situation. It's over leveraging. It's all emotional shit. The trader got too emotional, and for whatever reason, whatever they did, it made their overall equity curve drop. So, you know, profitable trading is just about keeping your emotions at a steady state. Yep, that's it. Image. Imagine. How much time do you spend backtesting? Not long. 40 minutes. Any longer than 40 minutes, you lose respect and you just start being a goose. And I don't backtest to win. I backtest to kind of try things and just see how things work out and play out. Like, I've backtested 2014. Like, I could probably, 2024, I could probably jump into it and I would recognize exactly where I am in the charts. I've backtested that much. If you could give one piece of advice to a beginner trader, what would it be? It would be, don't think about the money. Think of this as a skill. And then just think, hey, let me learn this skill knowing that money is a byproduct of that. Don't worry about the money. You're not going to make money. You're actually going to lose money. But if you're willing to be in this game long term with the opportunity to make great money and a lifestyle and all the great things that come with it, you're going to have to forget about the money for now and just think of how can I get better at this skill. Bro, I need you to answer me, please. Why do you need to watch your position, Avo? If you're taking a trade on the 15-minute, why do you need to watch it on the 5? What are you watching it for? In theory, you shouldn't need to watch it at all. Why are you being a stalker? Like, why are you trying to stalk your own trade? Nikki, is that Nikki from the Discord? When will the course be available again? 2 to 3 weeks. I showed before, like, you just, if you go to Daniel Holmes trades.com, the first thing you'll see is this coming soon. Join the waitlist. You click that, and then you just simply put your name and email. And then when I get closer to launching, I'll be sending you guys some shits. The 30's looking interesting. Let's have a look at the 30. Yeah, I'm definitely, this is, to me, in reality, you guys, I'm just going to move this support level. It's a Monday. You got to be cautious. This, to me, is a death zone. I'm not trading in here. I'm waiting for a breakout. If I don't get that and this wants to bounce off and come back down, cool, whatever. I'm not willing to participate until we get back down to here or a break above here. It's a Monday, you guys. Don't, remember, you come into the charts not with the intent to trade, with the intent to just sit here and wait for your setup. If that setup doesn't come, you don't need to trade. Right? The best traders don't force trades. They just wait for the trade to come to them. Do you want to be the best trader? Then just act like the best traders. You want to be a shitty, consistently losing trader like 95% of traders? Then act like the 90% of losing traders. Impatient, over trading. Oh, it's moving. I'm buying. Damn it. Right? But I want to. Perry, you should have learned the lesson last week, my friend. Don't forget the pain of last week. I don't know what Quotex is, brother. This should be breaking out on Forex, I think. Yeah. Wow, this candle's still got 11 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Do you have favorite trading days? No, I like all days. I like all days. I do notice like Mondays are a bit something, but yeah, I like all days. The pain is instilled in me. Beautiful. Good. I'll never forget the pain of last week. Yep. Don't. And it's not like, I'm not saying that to be a dick. Like, like feel the pain. It's like, no. The reality is we're human beings and pain can be a good motivator for change. So, it's easy for a new week and you just to do the same dumb shit you did. But it's like, bro, do you remember what happened last time you did this? You need to... How do you determine your position and size and manage risk? Because it's just experience and knowing the strategy, brother. Pain is the best teacher. Yep. Oh, 4-hour closure as well on Forex, is it? Yep. I believe I'll be interested even if it is a 4-hour closure. I'll have to wait and see. God damn it, I need a fucking $20 every time. $20. 20 cents every time I've ever said on stream. We'll have to wait and see. Pain is the best motivator for change. Yep. It's unfortunate, but it's true. It's unfortunate, but it's true. Please, I don't know what the best strategy to learn for a beginner is. The best strategy to learn for a beginner is just jump into Google and just start learning the game first. There's no such thing as the best strategy for a beginner. That's the paradox with that question. You guys on TikTok, I would highly suggest you come over to this YouTube stream right now. Because I might pull the plug on YouTube, on TikTok in a second here. Married at first sight back again. Always get in the best shape after a breakup. Bro, you act like you have breakups all the time. But yeah, fucking heartbreak, man. You want to talk about pain as a motivator. Heartbreak is... Woo, that shit will make you jump over a mountain, bro. Heartbreak will get you firing on all cylinders. For most people, I think, like for me, it always has. I've always had the biggest growth in life after a heartbreak or a breakup. Some people maybe fall into a thing of like depression or whatever it may be. That doesn't help you at all. That makes things way worse. You need to become like After a breakup, I've always been like, I need to make her realize that she just fucking dropped the ball on top G type shit. Like, you need to level that up so much, man. That's it, XYZ. That's the thing, man. Like, we can just kick back while we wait for the setup. Just kick back, waiting for the setup, waiting for the trade to come to us. That push up looked clean on the 30. On Forex, let's have a look. Nah, not for me. I would never take a trade. So I'm assuming you're looking at like some sort of type 2 Perry, John, where you kind of get the pullback similar to this. The difference is that's a big red candle. I would want to see another smaller red candle and then an engulfing green candle. I would want to see essentially 4 candles here, not just like an abrupt change. And I don't really like that the wick is above, not below. Right? If the wick was below, I'd be more interested. A couple of things, and I just don't like the messiness of the 15 and the... Yeah, it's just not... yeah, it wasn't for me. We'll see, we'll see. That's all right, we're getting a good opportunity here, potentially. I want to show her just how bad I can get to show her how badly I will. Just become absolutely homeless. You did this. Please do you give free signals. Please do you give free massages. Because your boy's got a sore freaking back. What advice would you give somebody that wants to develop a robust and adaptable trading plan? I don't know if those two terms would be well in accordance to a trading plan. There's no such thing as an adaptable trading plan. You have a trading plan that you can get really good at doing one thing in the market. There's no such thing as a really good adaptable trading plan. The market's too vast, it will eat you alive. You just need to get really good at doing one thing. There are 5 users using your account. No, there's way more than 5. Yeah, John, that's still. Top 10 trading advice, divorce. Yoga fixes back pain. I agree. Yeah, I got to get into yoga a bit more. Nice meeting you too, Adejabe. Oh, Dillawa! What's up, brother? I feel like I haven't seen you in a while, Dillawa. If it breaks a 4-hour high, can we buy? You can do whatever. I'm going to wait for a candle to close above this level, though. A candle that's no lower than the 15 minute. Yeah, been away from the charts. Okay, fair enough. You guys on YouTube, on TikTok, come over to YouTube now, or else full chart on YouTube. I'm doing amazing daily. Oh, you came over from TikTok. Nice to have you here. Akilaimazman. Akilaimazman. Your YouTube channel. Look right there. You can see it. There's a description. Is it night there because it's morning here? No, it's night here. Is this live now? This is very live now. Then don't tell your family, Venus. Don't go telling people that you trade. Don't go telling people that you trade. Here from TikTok. Oh wow, a lot of you guys came over from TikTok. Nice to have you guys here. Yeah, waiting for a bake out. I wait for bake out. 4x baking out now. We want Futus to bake out. Confus, you can bake out. Push little candle, don't you fucking be a bitch. Everything's gonna be alright. We're gonna full port if it breaks out. If you don't, then you're a little bitch. And I know something else. I'm from TikTok. Nice, Ben. Good to have you here, brother. Hope you guys like the YouTube layout. Please drop a subscribe and just slither your finger across the thumbs up button for the video, for the TikTok algorithm, and smash that subscribe button for the TikTok algorithm. I mean YouTube algorithm. Should sell here, yeah, sure. Have you ever helped a corral across the road? No, but I would if that opportunity arose. Dislike because of that slither comment. My kids are laughing at your lullaby. How much money have you spent, bro? Billions and billions and billions and billions. Who's seen that Trump video?
Billions and billions and
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions. It just goes forever. Just him saying billions. Just threw my cat at the like button on YouTube. Thank you, Chappie. Beautiful. That's what we need. We need animals being projected at the like and subscribe buttons. Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions. Where should we target if we break above? Damn, like the next zone is here, obviously, but I won't be taking it that far. Maybe I'll let runners run if it can, but typically when you get a breakout, what tends to happen is you get a move. Price a lot of the times wants to retest that level, and that can be like, that can tap out your break even level and then continue. I don't know. That's why I always take partials on the way up. If the breakout looks keen on Forex but not futures, will you take it? I think I will in this case, Perry. How do you determine the optimal holding period for trade? It's all on a base case-to-case scenario, but I typically have a rule of around 15 pips. I take off 85%, move stops to break even, and let the rest run. You are the best. You are the best. What up, Jamie? Billions and billions and billions. You guys, if I'm about to take this trade here on YouTube, I'm going to have to stop it on TikTok. So you guys on TikTok, make sure you come over to here on YouTube right now. I'm live on YouTube. Live! Can we play mood music, please? I am playing mood music, aren't I? Do you teach for free? Do you give massages for free? I built a website for you. Too late, I already built one for myself. I already built one for myself, unfortunately. Bricked up. Oh, wow. Was that a closure there? Nice. Yeah, I'm most likely going to have to take this based on Forex, to be brutally honest. Hush, little baby, don't you try. Let me do a quick scan of these time frames. Daily 4 hour close in 15 minutes, which is okay. This is interesting because here's the thing, you guys. So this is a big moment. If this 4 hour candle can break back above this major prior support level, that's a really good sign. Considering it closed in 15 minutes, that next 15-minute candle can push down, and then this 4 hour closes below this level, meaning we get faked out pretty hard. The 1 hour is pushing up. The 30-minute is pushing up. And the 15-minute is up, but it hasn't created a bottom wick yet. We need a bottom wick. Nothing can be done until this candle creates a bottom wick. Right? And then when it flips back up, then I take a buy. But right now, I can't do anything until a bottom wick's created, so let's just see what happens. What could happen here right now is this pushes up, rejects like this one did, breaks back in this zone, and then that's a 4 hour was unable to break out of that level. So we'll see. But regardless, can't do anything until a bottom wick's created. Billions and billions and billions and billions. Okay, well, send me a link to the website that you built, Jamie, so I can pull it up on stream, and then we'll get the chat to rate my website by a random chat member. I don't go any lower than the 15-minute time frame mark. So this is, yeah, like I said, very interesting, this area, this situation right here. But I'll tell you what else is good. Let's just say this candle dicks around here and it closes like that. I'm still interested in a buy above, because that'll also be a 30-minute breakout and a 1 hour breakout and a 4 hour breakout. I might even increase my size a little bit. Woohoo! I might even increase my size a little bit. How zesty could that be, right? So we'll see. We'll have to wait and see what happens there. But regards, can't do anything now. It hasn't created a bottom wick. Hey, how do scalping work if SSL is 60 pips and take profit is 20 pips? You just said it. That's how it works. If somebody wants to do that, that's what they're doing. Hey, you guys, make sure you guys drop a subscribe on YouTube, you guys. Live every day, London session. Drop a subscribe button so I can feed my family. Zesty trades, that's right. D-Zest. No indicators, that's right. We use our big brain as an indicator. Where would you say you take profit? I don't know. I'd watch it. It's very clean range to the left-hand side. But I'd take 85% of the position. Like we're talking as if it's going to present a position. This could just leave now and then it's all good. But we'll see. Sub done. Oh, thank you, Jat, for the subscribe there. Juicy all around if we don't get faked out. Yeah, even if we get faked out, that's all part of it. But I think if this can dance around here, that'd be great. Because like I said, we'll get the 1 hour, 30-minute, and 4 hour breakout. That's a higher confirmation. But even then, let's say this 1 hour closes above here and we get that 1 hour breakout. Even then, I personally can't take this trade until I see a bottom wick get created and then it flips bullish. Right? And I'm personally totally okay with that. Most people can't handle that. Most people are like, no, it's leaving. I have to jump on. And it's like, go for it. You might get rewarded now, but over 100 trades, it will literally inseminate your rectum. I don't know if that sentence made sense, but yeah. Still working as BDM? Yes, still are, yep. Here from TikTok? Oh, nice. Good to have you guys from TikTok here. We love us some bottom wicks. Exactly, rectum. Why are you waiting for the wick? Is there a secret behind that? It just means that price has retested that level. We've seen how it reacted to that level. Like once you get a breakout, that's only one ticked. Then you need a retest. Then you need a bang and a bong, like, right? There's boxes that need to be ticked. And then alternatively, and that's just accordance to my rules. Alternatively, it can just leave without creating that. And I just have to say, see ya. Which is totally fine for me. For other not so experienced traders, that will eat them alive. The fact that they weren't able to get the trade, I'm fine because I know my rules keep me safe. My rules keep me profitable. Small red would be nice. Yeah, even a small red would be nice. Exactly, John. Yep. Bit of red, bit of support formed up here would be nice as well. Could take an impulse buy after that. Wow, look at this. Nearly 340 people here on YouTube. Awesome. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, my dudes. caress your thumb across the subscribe button as well. Well, then get a job, Love Lamp. It's pretty simple. If it reaches 100 likes, do we get then massage mentorship? Wait, how many likes have I got? 86. Come on, you guys, get me to 100 likes. Please, please. Oh, found another person's cat and threw it at the like button too. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Breakout, retest, and a bang bong. Exactly. Is that what I said? Show us. Lords, if you want to see the full chart, come over to here on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Gang Tommy. Just got to 100 likes, really? Oh, wow, look at this, 112. Thank you, guys. Mom, we're eating tonight. Alhamdulillah. No, I'm not Muslim, brother, sorry. I'm not Muslim. Most of us trade because we don't want a 9 to 5. Well, then you can just get used to eating shit for the rest of your life because you're going to have to make the commitment, bro. No one wants a 9 to 5, but you have to pay the bills. It's like you can't have everything you want in life. Like you have to pay your dues. Get the camera. Dad's deadism. We're fasting, brother. Yeah, wow. Mum, we're getting brand raid cereal tonight. Yeah. How many people do you think just took buys there, you guys, out of panic? Oh no, it's leaving. Oh, it's leaving. I need help from everyone in this live. My dogs need donation and fucking hell. Even Raja quit his job to do full-time trading. If you listen to Raja's story, he already had a lot of money. He was already a very successful businessman before that. You just sound like somebody that's lazy and doesn't want to do what's required in order to make this shit happen, brother. Like, I love you, but I got to call you bluff a little bit there, man. You guys, even if it leaves here, I don't know about your system, but my system is I have to wait for a retest. If this leaves right now, I can't even describe to you how chill I am about that fact. I don't give a shoot because I know over 100 trades, the high probability setups are this and that and whatever, right? Just, it's fine, bro. If it leaves, it's fine. Explain order block, breaker block. I don't know what that is, brother. Zest Nation. All right, this candle closes in 4 minutes over here. Hey, you guys on TikTok, the same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. I'll meet you guys there. I'm live on YouTube right now. You can see the full chart. I'm going to close TikTok down now and come over to YouTube now, you dudes. I'll see you there. I'll see you on the flip side. All right. All right, there goes TikTok. So let's have a look over here. See if we get some sort of See what it wants to do. We've got 3.5 minutes here. Beautiful. This will be a 30-minute breakout, a 1-hour breakout, and a 4-hour breakout. Very nice. Here from TikTok. Oh, beautiful, Paul. Good to have you here, brother. Have you ever been to Greece? No. Nor. Dan, look at it from my way. Sellers had got blown out 3 times. Yeah, I don't know. Here from TikTok. Oh, amazing. Good to have you here, Masana. Here from IG Reels. Wow. New here. What are you trading? We've got gold over here. So we're going to see that we've got candle. There's some key candles closing in 2 minutes here. We've got some key candles closing in 2 minutes here. 15's just dancing around here. So if I'm looking for a retest, obviously I'm going to be paying attention to the 30, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour for that retest. So might as well just stay on the 30 for now. Let's measure this range. Bit steep. I would love a little pullback here. Would love a little pullback here. But if it doesn't, I've got some other things in mind. Hey, do you trade or just talk? No, I'm not an unprofitable trader like you that just trades everything they possibly see. I wait for my setups to come to me. So that's what we do, my dude. Looks quite nice on futures. Yeah, there's no such thing as an overnight solution, that's for sure. It takes tears and years and tears and pain and ups and downs. What are the other things on your mind? I'll tell you once. Let's see how this closes. Let's see how this closes. DD, you're so dumb, bro. Hush, little baby. All right, 30 seconds. Then if the current 15-minute candle does not give us a retest and the next 15-minute does, yeah. Yep, I know this current 15's not. We're running out of time for that. But if the next one does, yes. Yep. No, I don't really like what it's doing here. It looks like it's going to create no top wick on the 30, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. Oh, that's a daily, sorry. Yeah, interesting. Okay, there's those closures. That's close to see. Have you ever been to Portugal? No. So this candle here closed with no to little top wick. It pushed up quite high from this level here. It's a 30 pip range now if you want to put your stop loss. Yeah, I don't know, you guys. In theory now, like, I don't know if I'll wait for this on stream, but in theory, I might, you know, kind of maybe wait for a candle to close on the 15 like this, the next one to close something like this, and then take some sort of bounce off this range. Probably have to wait for a few candles to develop now. This, I'll tell you why, this is pushed too far away now. My stop loss has to be too steep back in this range. It's about 33 pips it'll be. And secondly, everything closed with no top wick here. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. I'm personally gonna have to wait for price to develop now, and it's probably gonna take another 45 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day there, you guys, for the stream. But you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for price to come down here and just do a bit of shit. So unfortunately, we didn't get that ideal setup there, but I appreciate you guys. Please make sure you drop a subscribe here. I'll be back on the stream tomorrow. And yeah, like I said, you guys, I'm just going to wait for price to develop a little bit, come down. If it wants to retest and a couple of 15-minute candles kind of develop here and show weakening, meaning the candle body's getting smaller, then I'll look to participate on the way back up around there. All right. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Love you. Missed you already. Love you guys. Make sure you join the Discord if you want to chat some more. And I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow. Okay? Pre-London tomorrow.